Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Now install this free app from this developer and open it. Then you need to wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, select while using the app and allow in all of them. Finally, you can choose Home button and click on Settings. Now scroll down and choose Apps section over here. Then click on Choose Default Apps and tap on Home app. Lastly, tap on iOS Launcher and just got it. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Samsung, but you can always switch between them by going into the same settings, but this time selecting the default launcher. Or if you wish to go back into the Apple one, just click on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!